What is happening with the environment in Slovenia? Our environment is a complex system. Many factors are interconnected, but all have an impact on our lives. Groundwater is the most important source of drinking water in Slovenia, supplying over 95% of the population. We must continue to strive to keep our water sources clean. By improving the quality of air, water and soil and limiting pollution, we can significantly contribute to better health. We must continue to strive for improvements that will help to cure diseases caused by climate change and the impact of chemical toxins of human health. For all these reasons, we regularly monitor and report on the state of the environment. In this way, we know what is happening with the environment, how we can help, and where we need to take action. Each one of us can make a big contribution to a healthy environment in Slovenia. One of the keys to reducing air pollution and the effects of climate change is promoting sustainable forms of mobility, such as public transportation, cycling, and walking. We all need to manage water sparingly as available water supplies fluctuate. Over the last 50 years, rainfall has decreased by up to 4%. We need to increase the use of renewable energy sources, such as wood biomass, biogas, geothermal energy, solar and wind energy, and biofuels. In Slovenia, we are implementing changes systematically. We participate in measures at the Europe level and beyond, and adhere to international agreements such as the Paris Agreement. We can also help the environment by choosing environmentally friendly products. We can buy second-hand products or repair broken ones, reducing the need to keep producing new things. We are preserving fertile land for food production. In Slovenia, 11% of all agricultural land is managed organically, which is a special form of sustainable resource management. Slovenia's forests are increasingly threatened by extreme weather events, fires, pests and wildlife, and the negative impact of people on the composition of forests. Slovenia is investing in public transport infrastructure and cycle paths, and promoting the use of public transport through, for example, subsidies for school and university students, and free public transport for certain groups. The transition to a circular economy which we are implementing in Slovenia is also crucial for the long-term preservation of natural resources and a healthy environment. The main goal of the circular economy is to enhance human well-being while preserving the natural environment. Your decisions truly change the world.